I maintain that the body does not want to know anything. It does not want to learn anything. So whatever you are interested in is not in helping this living organism, but trying to resolve the problems created by that mechanism that is put in there by our culture or society. The problem is to be free from the fantasy that through that you will be able to resolve this problem. All this effort on the part of us to free ourselves from the fantasy of transformation or radical transformation or something like enlightenment and all that kind of nonsense that is passed on to us from generation to generation is a monumental waste of energy. It is a very peaceful living organism, and so the idea that you have a peaceful state of mind or a peaceful entity is the one that is disturbing the peace that is already there. So all that you are doing to create a peaceful mind or a peaceful way of living is rejected by this living organism, because that is not part of this living organism. All our actions are born out of thinking, and that thinking is to use these thoughts to free yourself from something. You see, so to free yourself from something will never help you to free yourself from that, because it is that movement that is disturbing the whole thing, you know. And all that you are doing to free yourself from is the one that is keeping you where you are. Any movement on your part to free yourself from something that does not exist there, I can say that there is nothing there to be free from. So it hit me like a lightning. That's the only word that I can use. That there is nothing there to be free from. It doesn't matter what you want to be free from. There is nothing there to be free from. So wanting to be free from this, wanting to be free from that, you have 100 different things you want to be free from. So when something hits you that there is nothing there to be free from, it will hit you so hard that you wouldn't know what is happening there. You will never know what you are living.